Hey, it's Mark here from Lessons Learned. In this video, I'm going to install the backhoe attachment on the RK37 Tractor. And if you haven't done it in a while, maybe this video will be helpful to you in remembering some of the key steps.
When I removed the backhoe, you can see it here in the garage. I left it like this and ended up putting these blocks. I made 2 stacks of blocks. I screwed those blocks together so it wouldn't fall apart on me. And the reason I did that is if you don't put something under this to support it with no hydraulic pressure, it collapses and slides down to the floor. And then you've got the other end of the backhoe frame ends up not setting level on the ground and sticking up in the air. But so you can see here, it's sitting on the floor flush. And so that way, when I come back to install it on the tractor, it'll be easy to install it and remount the backhoe attachment. The first step is to back the tractor up close enough to the backhoe attachment so we can connect the hydraulic hoses. That'll allow us to maneuver the backhoe so that the subframe comes up underneath the tractor properly to be able to mount it. So that'll be our first step. You see this bracket here? The backhoe attachment will actually slide into that in the back, and 2 pins will go through those holes you see vertically. Mid-mount under the tractor, this bracket is where the front of the subframe will slide in. And so when we are able to raise the backhoe attachment, which will raise the subframe as well, then the tractor will get backed up and that front end of that will slide into these slots.
This is the hydraulic lowering speed control knob, and I'm turning it all the way down. I don't really want the hydraulic lift on the back to be raised or lowered while I have the backhoe attached. This is the auxiliary hydraulic lever. I'm going to move this to the position where the hydraulics will be enabled for the backhoe attachment connection. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please leave us your comments, suggestions, give us a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to our channel. It'd also be helpful to hear back from you. Is this category of videos something you're interested in seeing more of? I was thinking of putting up a video about how to remove the backhoe attachment, but it kind of helps to know what people are interested in when you're planning new videos for your channel. Thanks.